In this video, I will tell you how can you open your water bottle in a very simple way. So I have got this water bottle here. This is a plastic bottle. Maybe you have a glass one or can be different from this one. You only just have to do what this is called lid, or can be the cover of your water bottle. You just have to do what same as like tap. We have to rotate to the left hand side. By rotating the lid on the left hand side, it will be slightly getting open. So like that, it's open now. So if you want to close it back, you just have to put the lid back on the bottle and try to rotate on the left hand side. For the opening, right hand side. For closing, left hand side. For more videos, like and subscribe my channel Daily Hacks. Bye bye.